I'm Mona O'Brien from Wiser Recycling and Advanced Skip Hire. We collect domestic and commercial wheelie bins. We bale all our refuse and we separate our skip waste here in Cork. In 2011 we took delivery of a New Holland skid steer L225 and recently we just took delivery of a New Holland L223. We're very happy with the New Hollands. We find the cab, the visibility very safe to walk around in close areas. We find the power of the machine very good and the speed. It brings down the cost of baling and our tonnage cost comes down with the speed of the machine.
Hi, I'm Dwayne O'Sullivan and I'm the operator of the 223, 8 hours a day. My overall opinion is it's fast, stable, good controls, has good lifting capacity, good for safety, see what's happening around you. Inside the cab, you have good leg room, good space, comfortable to walk all day, plenty of room. Very good on diesel, 2 days running without refilling.
We have 4 attachments for the skid steer. We have a sweeper, we have a bucket rake, we have a bale grab and a bucket.
Changing attachments, very good, very easy, straightforward, no pressure on hoses, quick release handles, top job.
I would recommend New Holland machines to other users. We find them very reliable, they have good power and fuel economy.